What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to yet another tutorial video, and in today's video we are going to look at how to cut out hair in CorelDraw, how to remove background of this hair like this to turn it into something like this. Okay, so if you have been following this channel, remember I made a lot of videos on how to remove background pictures, and all of that. So, and in those videos I frequently emphasize that there are multiple approaches to do this. Okay, so and in today's video we are going to use a different approach on how to remove the background of this hair, as you can see. So you wouldn't want to miss this, so stick to the end of this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe by clicking on that red button below and turn on the notification bell in order not to miss any of my future uploads. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So as soon as you launch your CorelDraw, so all you need to do, click here, import, and go and import your picture wherever you have your picture. Mine is on desktop, I think on download. So I'm just going to click here and then import. So as soon as you come down here like this, all you need to do, you click and drag, so the picture will appear here. We are using the same picture anyways, so that you can see that we are going to have the same results. All right, so as soon as this is done, the next thing you are going to do, double click on this picture in order to bring out the photo paint dialog box. So what we call photo paint dialog box is what we are going to use to edit the picture. All right, so as soon as you double click, you are going to have something like this. All right, this is the photo paint dialog box. But if you can't find it, if it doesn't display in your computer, so all you need to do, go to tools, click on tools, click on option, and then click on CorelDraw. As soon as you click on option, click on CorelDraw, you are going to wait for a few seconds for now. So click on edit. All right, then ensure that this place is tick, to enable it in order for you to have it. So as soon as you enable it, click on OK. So once you double click on it, so you will have something like this. All right, and once you are here, as soon as you are here, all right, the next thing you are going to do, click on image. Just leave it like this, then just click on image, go to your menu bar, click on image, then click this first one that says cut out lab. All right, as soon as you are here, so you can see that blue stuff on your screen, that's your brush. So this brush, you are going to if you are not okay with the size of the brush, so as you can see, this is 15, so you can increase it, click here, or reduce it or increase it, or you can hold down the shift key on your keyboard, then click and drag up to increase the size of the brush. I don't think we need this is too big. Or you hold down the shift key and click drag down in order to reduce the brush, then go around the edge of this hair just like this, click just like this. As soon as you see that green stuff, that means you are on the right track. All right, so just go around the edge just like that, and then go back to this other side and do the same thing just like this. All right, let's reduce the brush. I think it's too big, so we are going to reduce the brush, and then we will use the brush to go around the body, the edge. Just follow the process, guys, like this. Follow the process, then stop somewhere here. Yes, okay, and just follow the process, guys. I'm almost done here. As soon as you are here, just stop around somewhere here, and then click this particular one, the second one, to fill this space. So if you notice that it is too deep into, or you're not supposed to select any part of this, all you need to do, you click here and then deselect, deselect. So if you were like, for instance, it's too deep, I'm not supposed to come all the way down here, it's too deep. So once you are done, just click this particular one, the second one, then click here, then preview it. As soon as you preview it, you are going to have something like this. That's so very nice, beautiful. So beautifully done. As you can see, click on OK, and then click on save. As soon as you click on save, and then you go back to where you have it, as you can see, this is before and this is after. Nicely done, isn't it? So let's draw a rectangle and apply a color to this. Okay, let's give it a different color. This fine. So you just bring, I'm going to copy and paste, as you can see. So as you can see, this is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. You can just go ahead and change. If you don't like the color, the background color, you can go ahead and change it. All right, change the background color of this picture. Just anyhow you want to change it. It's just up to you. Go ahead and change it. All right, so tell me what you think under the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.